I absolutely love using steamers to clean my bathroom. I just feel like there is no greater clean than a steam clean. This one here was sent for my review and I am so impressed. So I just took it out of the box. This is my first time using it. I tried it for like 2 seconds. And I think one of the things that impressed me the most was how quickly it heated up. So right here out of the box, you need to plug it in and then you're gonna add your water in here. You do have a max fill line. So you just have the water down here on the bottom. So you wanna have maximum, you wanna have minimum. I'm right at that minimum line. And then once I plugged it in, filled it up with water, I turned it on and the on button, the power button was flashing red. And it's really hard to see because there's lights on. So this is how you turn it on with this power button. But then this power button was flashing red for, I'm not kidding you, maybe 20 seconds. And then it goes green. When it goes green, it means it's ready. I don't think I've ever had a steamer get that hot that fast. So I'm going to show you how it works and all of the like different functions. But before I do that, I do want to show you, it does come with the different nozzles. Of course, you do have one of my favorites here. This is for like a glass. I love using this on my shower glass. Like honestly, it gets those streaks out so fantastically. You also have like the little cloth cover that you can put over that. And then of course you do have like the really like good scrubber brushes. These are really good for like tiles. And like if you have any, you have the metal one as well. You want to be careful with this one because that's intense. You don't want to scratch anything, but you have the different sizes. So you have all of the different little pieces. Of course, you also have like the little shovels as well. So if you're trying to like scrape anything, these are sort of like paint and stuff. So good. And then this one also comes with a like a metal extender. So this one's like a nice solid piece, which is great. So already like the plug is super long. This is really long. So you have lots of room to be working with, which is really great. So when you turn it on, you do have 6 different modes. This one right here is going to tell you, it'll start, again, you can't see anything. Well, it's not flashing now, but this one will flash if there's not enough water. You can go with the modes. I also read that when this is plugged in and turned on and not used for 10 minutes, it's automatically going to turn off, which I think is really great. We love a good safety feature around here. Please note when you're using steam, this is this is warm. I can touch it. It is still hot. You don't want to put your fingers anywhere near the end. This is like boiling hot steam coming out. So I'm going to go ahead. So it's on. I'm going to go. So we do our plus. I'm going to go all the way up. I can't even see. I'm going to go up to number 6. And we've got our steam. So this is coming out. Hold on. Let me push that steam button. So then you've got, what's happening? Oh. There we go. I pushed the wrong button. Okay, so
don't put on.
Okay. So as you can see, we've got this hardcore steam. Check this out right here. You always think this part's clean. Look at all of that. Look at that. All of that that's underneath your sink cap. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. This is really loud. All right. So there we go. We have to do the pluses and minuses. I keep hitting the power button. That's just so what I'm used to, but it's the pluses and minus, which I think is really good, but you know, you just have to get used to that. But can we just look at that again one more time where you can actually hear me? So a lot of times people just kind of wipe around here without realizing that you need to get underneath there. There's so much gunk, you know, you're washing your hands, the soap, the grime goes under there. This is my husband's side, you know, he's shaving. That's all of his like little facial hair. And like, honestly, so that all has just been spurted out. Now you can come through, give it a good wipe, and all just with the power of steam. This thing is so powerful. I love the size, even though it's small, makes it really versatile. You can bring with you and just like really lightweight, but man, it is powerful.